Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from KernTek, and today we'll be discussing about date formatting but with a twist. Normally how we actually format dates is by using this drop down and changing it to our desired date format. But you may have come across issues where the date formats just don't want to change, or they just refuse to change to your desired format, and that kind of might cause issues to your data analysis objectives. Now we'll be tackling those issues today and see how we can achieve that. Now let's look at our data first. Right off the bat we can see that the dates are in different formats. First of all, the first one is in day, month, year format. The next one is in month, day, year format. So we will do what normally anyone would do. We would first select the entire column, go to general, and let's say try changing it to short date, or let's try changing it to the day, month, year format consistently. How about this? Okay, so what do we see here? We see that these dates have changed while these have not. Although they say date over here as a format, these have not changed as a format overall. So how can we do that? How can we achieve a consistent date format overall? It's pretty simple actually. We go to the data tab and we use a feature called text to columns. Normally it is and can be used for a different purpose, but this is also a very handy tool in sorting date issues, date formatting issues. So what we do now is select the entire column here and click on text to columns. Make sure we select the delimited radio button over here. We go to next. We can just uncheck or leave as it is, doesn't matter. We go to next. Now here comes the important part. As we see, this feature actually tries to recognize dates in the day, month, year format by default, but the dates we want to convert are in month, date, year format, so the feature won't be able to recognize that. So what we do here is select the date, select the first option, month, day, year, so that this feature can recognize these formats, and then we just click on finish, and there you go. Everything has changed into a consistent format now. Now just to make sure that it has actually worked, everything is all good, we will do another conversion operation and see if everything changes consistently throughout this column. Now we select it once again, we go back to Home tab. Under date, we go to more number formats, date, since we have a lot of options here. We will select this one, and there you go. You have every date entry in a single format, single consistent format. I hope this video has helped you in answering few of your questions, and if it has, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and mention if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support.